Hey guys, I'm back. Here's a 1950s wedding dress that I'm going to restore and repair. It has a lot of stains and everything like that. I'm going to zoom in so you guys can see what I'm talking about. There is some staining right around here. I don't know if you can see it on camera. You see brown spots and everything like that. And over here, it needs a little bit of sewing. But this is my next project. I paid $15 for this beautiful 1950s wedding dress. So I'm going to restore it, repair it, and wear it proudly. I could wear this maybe to the opera or anywhere else that I have a special occasion to wear it to. But it's a beautiful piece. It's a beautiful history piece, especially for 1950s, and it's 73 years old, so let's bring it back to the way it originally was from 1950s. It has a couple of stains. You can see the stains there. I'm going to take that out. So stay tuned for her beautiful transformation. I thank you for subscribing to my TikTok, and I thank you for subscribing to my YouTube. I'll be restoring a lot of more other wedding dresses in the future, one step at a time. I hope you visit my channel. I hope you subscribe to my channel so you can come along with me on this journey of repairing and restoring beautiful dresses from the 1950s, the 1960s, 1970s, 1980s, pretty much anything. I'll see everyone later. Thanks for watching. Bye.